Well, I thought that something else deserved its own separate video, so I went and grabbed it. You guys just, if you've seen it, you've seen the video on the 1/2 inch impact. Well, guess what? That's a 3/8 one. Let's open up the 3/8, see what's inside of this little box. Whoops. Supposedly it's really, really compact. And that's what's nice about it, because normally what I have been using, where is it? It's right here. Normally what I have been using is one of these guys. What is this? Do you guys know what this is? No? It's an impact. But it's a 1/4 inch for putting in screws, you know, doing that kind of stuff. Well, to work with like bolts and nuts, it's better, a lot better, to actually have yourself a good 3/8 one like this. See that? Look how small and compact this is. Brushless as well. 3/8 drive. You guys can see that. What's the torque specs on this guy? Okay, here we go. Tyson, come here, boy. Come here, come say hello. Sit. Hold on. I don't need you to lick. Sit. Come here, boy. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. I'm not letting you through. I'm not letting you through. I'm allergic to dogs, actually, believe it or not. The Yorkie, I'm not allergic to Yorkies because they're hypoallergenic dogs, but Mr. Tyson here, I've been itching from him, you know, if I get exposed to him way too much. They're my outdoor dogs. They, you know, in the wintertime they sleep in the garage, which is insulated and heated. In the summertime they're outside, so been all good. But anyways, let's get back to this. We're looking at specs on this guy. I'm not going to get into all the boring details of all the little tiny things, but here you go. Here's some of the specs. If you guys want to pause it, you can pause it and read it. Let's see what it says. So max breakaway torque is 450 pounds breakaway, and 300 fastening torque, 300 foot-pounds of fastening torque. That's pretty good. Let's see if it's going to do the same thing on these wheels that I just did. We'll go try the back. That way you guys don't think maybe you didn't tighten it good enough or whatever. Let's try the back with the 22 socket. I actually have one here, I believe. Yeah, right here. Actual impact in the 3/8. So, switch batteries here. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. And while you got mosquitoes biting you, see that? Got crazy mosquitoes this year. If you guys got crazy mosquitoes, you let me know in the comments what's going on with the mosquitoes this year. Been pretty crazy. So on this thing, look at that. The settings, they're biting me in the neck. So on this guy, we've got some settings. You could do screws. You guys can see that. Or you can do bolts, which, I don't know, with 1 and 2, I don't know. Oh. That's weird. Okay, still gotta figure out We'll put it on 2. That way there's no surprises. Okay. Let's go see. Oh, come on. Okay. Let's see if it can unscrew. How about that? That's one. Now if it can only come out of the socket. Man, these mosquitoes are insane. Okay, let's do one more. Just for the giggles. There we go. Boom. Done. You guys want to do one more? Look how fast. I'll just push and hold. Done. Who really wants to mess with, I don't know, air gun? I have all that stuff. But isn't it nice to just pick up one of these and just go and just get it done right away? Without actually, you know, I know there's air hose reels and all that. I got all that. But really, who wants to mess with that when you have the power of electricity? And I'm pretty surprised that this thing's taking off wheels. That's pretty good. For a little 3/8 gun, it's pretty awesome. I'm getting bit everywhere. Well, let's see the torque. We'll torquing it up. There you go. That's it. Super simple, super easy. So, the little guy. Sorry, the mosquitoes are getting me. That's your little overview of it. I think this thing was like 150 bucks. But I'll definitely leave the exact price down in the description, and I'll leave the Amazon link to the exact people that I bought it from. Because really, they just came in, honestly, both of them got delivered today. Both of them got delivered today, and I'm already out of the box. I've been excited for them, and I'm testing both of them out. So this is the little 3/8. Super nice. It's really compact. I mean, really, compared to like a car mirror, here's how small it is. And this is a deep socket on it. So compared to a door handle, it's small. It's small. This guy, compared to a door handle, the 1/2 inch, it's much bigger, and it's much, 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 much more heavier. But either way, if you haven't seen the video on this 1/2 inch one, go back and look at the other video instead of the 3/8 one. But 3/8, what's up? This guy here, I'll be using a lot of this. I guarantee you that. Because I put in all the little attachments for the 3/8 on the 1/4 inch impact, and I use it for that. And really, they work because it's been working, but you know, been having some trouble sometimes, you know, unscrewing some of the bigger things. But this is just its own designated self. This guy will do everything all on its own. You don't need anything else. So 3/8 for pretty much everything, 1/4 inch for screwing things in. And the 1/2 inch, that's the big beast. This guy doing any kind of big work, like, you know, bigger stuff under the vehicle, doing the wheels and tires and, you know, all the other stuff, removing struts and all that kind of thing. So thank you guys for watching. God bless. Let me know if you guys like yellow Dewalt stuff or if you like red Milwaukee. And if you guys already own one of these, let me know what you think, how long you've had it, and if it's a brushless 20 volt one or not. I'd like to know. Thanks. God bless.